Hey, welcome to John's Guitar Lab. Hope you like the new look. Alright, we're almost finished with everything. Okay, it's coming along really fine. Just to let you know, behind this, what you see here, it's a Murphy bed. So it has, two functions. Anyway, who cares about that? Alright, I understand. We're going back to Mr. Mel Bay. Okay, for those that are been using the Mel Bay book. All right, we did our last lessons, I believe it was on page 38. Okay, you did the Old Mill, which was a duet, scale study. It was in G major. That was the one in the middle of the page as I keep looking down. And then there was a guitar solo called Serenade. And I'm pretty sure we did that. All right, it goes to three-quarter time. Okay, on the last measure in the first line, first finger does the two strings in the 3rd fret, G, D, 2nd finger, B. That's the B, 4th fret. Same note as the open string. And this G7, we know that it's just the 3rd finger. And here, you'll notice it'll say G7 on the top of the chord, but you'll see that it has an E. From a technical point, a theoretical point of view, it's actually a G6 chord mixed with the 7th. And when they sort of start getting technical with all this stuff, which I'm not even sure how important that is, it becomes what they call a G13. Okay, that's just matter-of-factly. Nothing to overly concern yourself at this point at all. All right? Just wanted you to know that it's there. And I think when I demonstrated this the last time, I made the same mistake on the D7 chord. I didn't play the F sharp. I don't know if you picked that up. But from the first measure, 2nd line, all right, just play that through. Again, as I said, I'm pretty sure we did part of that. But that's with all the chords in it. All right, because I know I also say, if you have trouble with the chords, just play the top. But at this point also that time has passed by, hopefully we're starting to do the full arrangement with the chords that are in it. All right, top of page 39, Austrian Hymn by Haydn. All right, straight ahead duet. There's nothing that jumps out here that's going to create any situation for you. So you know how it goes. Again, I probably should be clicking the metronome on here, but 1 and 2. Let's get this at right about there. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 4/4 time. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay, anyway. That's how it goes. That's the number 1 line, or the lead line as we say, because this is a duet. Let's just stop this thing, then it's right in my ear. All right. on the second line, all right, we have the bass part. Okay, you'll notice when you get to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th measure, all right, you'll see that it has the A7 chord, and I think we know this one already, where it's like this. Are we getting a good shot of that on my hands? All right, opened, 2nd fret, 2nd string, open 3rd string, 4th string, 2nd finger, 2nd fret. Okay, and then it's the straight ahead D chord after that. For now, we're just going to stop at that particular point, okay, with the Mel Bay Book. Again, I'm sort of staying with the Mel Bay system. I don't know that I have that many followers that are actually using the book at this particular point. All right, but for those that are, I'm going to continue and complete book 1. Okay, just so you know. Any questions, as usual, comments below. Okay. Oh, I got a new toy, a little tuna. Okay, this is real cool. All right, can you get a picture of that? Okay, so you see how the thing, it should be up to the E. Oh, wait a minute, we're not getting a look at that. Can we see it now? Now it should be saying E, and it should be in the green. Okay, if it's not in the green, then it's the wrong note, and then you just hit, yeah, you see what's happening, it's in the green. Okay, sometimes it just spikes a little bit on the yellow and then goes back to the green. Right? Anyway, these things are really cool. They're about $10, you know, on Amazon or whatever. Highly recommended. Highly recommended. Okay. There's a link below, you know, as usual, what we always do. Anyway, please thumbs up, please subscribe. All right. We'll be out with the next video, going back with some chords and some things like that. All right, as usual, questions, the comments below. Please just send any questions. Have a nice day.